Welcome to this video of linear equations in two variables, where we are going to learn the substitution method to solve these linear equations. Now, this method is for standard 9 students as well as for standard 10 students. Generally, students prefer to go by elimination method. But my dear students, this method is also very easy and useful in certain conditions. Sometimes in standard 9 it is given to solve the given sum by particularly substitution method, where you have to follow this. But otherwise, in which situation this method is easier, that we will see. Okay, now let's see practice set 1.1. I have chosen two questions for this method, and first sum is question number 2 in that second. Now the given first equation is x plus 7y is equal to 10, equation number 1, and 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Now what is the speciality, why it is easier to solve these sums by the substitution method? Because here if you see that coefficients of x are not same, as well as for y is also not same. Of course we can multiply equation 1 by 3 and we can make it same, and we can use the substitution method. But how, elimination method. But for substitution method, how it is useful? As one of these four terms, one element, one term is having one coefficient, either plus 1 or minus 1. So in this case, substitution method is also very useful. So what we can do, from equation 1, we will try to find the value of x by taking this 7y on the other side. So how we will write in this method, that from equation 1, x is equal to, this 7y is going on the other side. So it is going to be 10 minus 7y, and we can say this is equation number 3. So in this third equation we have got value of x in terms of y, which we will substitute this value in another equation, that equation number 2. As we have used equation 1 for finding the value of one variable into other, we will use the other equation. Now substituting this value, so substituting equation 3 or value of x in equation 2, what we get? Copy the equation number 2, 3x minus 2y is equal to 7, and we have got value of x, so therefore 3 in bracket, what is the value of x? 10 minus 7y. This is value of x. Copy this, the rest part as it is. Minus 2y is equal to 7. Now, because of this step, what we have done? We have done substitution of x in this, and we have got equation in one variable. Here the x has gone. Only y has been remained. Now value of y we can get from solving this equation. And once we get value of y, we can put it here to get value of x. Okay. So this method is really easy. Especially you can use such methods in such situations in word problems. Okay. So let's simplify. 3 tens are 30. Minus 7 3s are 21y. Minus 2y is equal to 7. Now collect the like terms y together. Let the number go on the other side. So 30 we will take it on the other side. This minus 21 minus 2y. Signs are same. When the signs are same, you have to add the numbers. 21 and 2 should be added. 21 2 plus will be 23. Signs of bigger or both, it is minus 23 1 is equal to 7. 30 will go on the other side, it will become minus 30. So this is minus 23y is equal to, now here the signs are different. When the signs are different, you have to subtract. For same, add, different, subtract. So 30 minus 7, it is 23, bigger is 30, it's minus, it is minus. As minus 23y is equal to minus 23, your y is going to be equal to 1. Minus minus will get cancelled. So value of y is 1. Now we have got value of one variable. Let's substitute this value of y in this equation 3. Now we can write as x is equal to 10 minus 7y. This is your equation 3. Therefore, x is equal to 10 minus 7 into y. Value of y is 1. Therefore, x is equal to, this is 10 minus 7, and therefore x you got 10 minus 7, it is 3. So this way you have got this value of two variables. Now how can you check, how can you verify? As you have used this, to get this you have used first equation number 1, substitute these values in equation number 2. So 3x, this is verification now. 3 into value of x is what? 3. Minus 2y, so minus 2 into value of y is 1. So 3 3s are 9, minus 2 1s are 2, it is 7. So right side is also 7. So this verification, if you do it orally or with pencil, this is not part of the answer, this is for your verification. So you have got this answer, and now you can write your answer as x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of given equation. Okay, always write alphabetically, x first and then y. Okay, so in this way, especially where the variable is having coefficient as 1, you can use this method. Let's do one more sum from this. Now here question number 1 is 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. Question number 1, and x plus 5y is equal to 4. Now here if you observe which variable, first of all these variables are not having same coefficient, but here it is 1. So let's use the substitution method. So from equation 2, what you can get? You can get x is equal to, take this 5y on the other side, it is 4 minus 5y. Okay, so you can say equation number 3. So substitute equation 3 in equation, which equation we have to substitute? We have taken equation number 2, so we have to substitute this value in the other variable, that is the other equation, that is equation number 1. Copy equation number 1, 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. Therefore 5 into x, value of x we have got here, 4 minus 5y plus 2y is equal to minus 3. So 4 5s are 20, minus 5 5s are 25y plus 2y is equal to minus 3. Take this 20 on the other side, so these two like terms, minus and plus signs are different. We have to subtract 25 minus 2, students, not plus 2. Signs are different. 25 minus 2, it is 23y. 25 is bigger number, its sign is minus, so answer is minus 23. Here it is minus 3 on the same side, 20 is going on the other side. It will become plus 20 as become minus 20. And that's why here also minus 23y is equal to minus 23. It is just coincidence, students. You got similar one. So it is y is going to be equal to 1. Now substituting this value of y in our equation 3, what is that? X is equal to 4 minus 5y. So 4 minus 5 into value of y is 1. So 4 minus 5, therefore x is equal to minus 1. So this way we have got values of both variables. Verify your answer quickly by where to put, we have to put. We have used your second equation, so put it here in 1. 5x, that is 5 into x, this minus 1, plus 2 into y, that is plus 1. So this is 1 and this is the other part. So minus 5 plus 2 1s are 2, minus 3. Is it right side minus 3? Yes. So your answer is verified. Now you can write that answer as a solution here. So answer or solution, x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of your given simultaneous equation. So my dear students, substitution method is as well easier. Always you need not to go for elimination method. This way is also you can do it easily. If you understand this concept, like this video, don't forget to like and share. And if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.